Welcome, students. Welcome in today's class. Today, I have brought here the trigonometry topic, and in this topic, we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. Okay, it will be very useful for all the students. The topic that I have displayed already. Let's start today's class. And first of all, I want to start with the introduction of trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. What we do in multiple angles here. First of all, let let AB, this A, okay, be any angles. AB, okay, any angles. Right here, any AB, any angles. Then we can tell 2A, right? 3A, 2A, 3A, okay, 4A. There are so many others. That's a dot, okay. And right here, etc. etc. R dot etc. Called are called multiple angles of multiples, okay, or you can say multiple only, multiple angles multiple angle of A, okay, multiple angles of A, right? This is the one most important introduction of multiple angles, okay. And now here, first of all, I want to show you here, okay. First of all, I want to show you here the formula, okay. Number one, how we derive the formula of sine 2a, okay. In exam also, question also may be asked to prove it. Sine 2a equals to how it comes, okay, 2 sine a into cos a, okay. This is the one important formula, how sine 2a equals to 2 sine a into cos a, okay. And sine 2a, as we know, okay children, first of all, we should know that here in this our left hand side, look there, what we have tried here, see, as we know that sine 2a, in place of sine 2a, we have tried here a plus a, because a plus a means it's 2a. That's why in place of 2a, I have written here a plus a, okay. And we know that we have known the formula of multiple angles here. This is the main formula that I am going to show you here. Sine a, we have the formula of compound angles. Look where these two angles are added. Sine a plus b. Look, these two angles, different angles are added together. This is the compound angle formula. Sine a plus b means we have here sine a, okay, into cos b, cos b, okay, and plus we have its in the formula. There is the term on there, sine a into cos b. Then next will be there cos a, right? Cos a into sine b. We have this formula of compound angles. Then we are using the same condition here also. Okay, children. Now look here. Here, look. Here is sine A plus B. A angle is added with B, and its formula is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Then let's apply this formula here. Okay. Then what comes? Look here, children. See here, my distance. In place of A, also there is A, right? Comparison of this one, compound angles formula, and this formula, okay? This condition, let's compare. In place of A, there is also A, but in place of B, also here is A, okay? That's why in this formula, wherever there is B, we will use there also A. Then what happens? Look here, we have to write here sine A into, and there will be so cos A, right? Here will be also cos A and plus, and next term there is what? Cos A, okay, into this multiplier, okay, sine A. As I told you, this comparison, look, A only, in plus B also there is A. That's why here is coming now. Look here. This is also sine A cos, this is also sine A cos A. Both the terms are same. Then when we add them, we will get here 2 sine A, okay, 2 sine A into cos, okay, A. This formula, okay, we have to derive like this. It comes, okay, sine 2A equals to 2 sine A and cos A. This is the first, formula of trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. Okay, children. Then look here now. We have one more formula. Okay, I've sine 2A here, and then also we'll find out a next one also. Look, second one from this sine 2A. This time we found here 2 sine A cos A, right? In place of this 2 sine A cos A, this is the first one, right? We can write here the first formula of sine 2A. Okay. Now, number two, look here, when we divide this, look here, we know this relation, look, whatever relation we got here, the first I have wrote on here, 2 sine, okay, 2 sine A into, here is given cos A, okay, 2 sine A cos A, right? Then can we divide this by 1? Of course we can, because in every numerator we can write 1 as the denominator, okay? In every fraction we can write this fraction form 1. And this 1, we know that in this relation we know we have the Pythagoras relation, okay, which is 2 sine A, right here, 2 sine A into, okay, that dot 1 is multiply here, cos A, and in place of this 1, we can write now here, okay, sine square A plus cos square A, we can write here, right here, sine square A, right, plus cos square A, because we have learned this one from Pythagoras relation. Sin square A plus cos square A means 1. That's why in 1 we can write a sin square plus cos square A. Now look children here. What should you do now after this? Look here. Now let's divide, okay? Here, in this condition, okay? Let's divide ups and down, okay? Here in this, whatever is numerator there, our aim is to bring now there. Our aim is to bring there sine 2a in terms of tan, okay? That's why what you have to do there? We have to divide its numerator, okay? And denominator by, like this, look here. In place of this 2 sine, right here, 2 sine A, okay, into cos A, right here, like 2 sine A cos A, okay. This also divide by cos square A, right? Right here also cos square A, okay. And now let's divide its denominator. There is also sine, okay, square A plus, right, cos square A, right? And this denominator also divide by cos square A, right here cos square A, okay. Numerator also we divide by cos square A and denominator also cos square A. Then what happens after this? Look here. If you come here, look here, children. I am going to do this here. And after this, now you can write here. See, this cos A, 1 cos A cancel, right? And here remains 2 by sine 2 sine A by cos A. Okay, that means we can write it 2 tan A, 2 tan A came there. Okay, and down look here, children. Here look here. If you separate the sine square A also divided by cos square A, that means here look this one. Sine square A is divided by cos square A, right? And here sine square A by cos square A means it is tan square A, right here tan square A. Okay, then when we divide this cos square A divided by cos square A, it will come 1. That's why from this, what we got here? We got here that, okay, sine 2a, okay, we got here sine 2a equals to, okay, it has come here 2 tan a. This is a very important relation, okay, 2 tan a by 1 plus, okay, tan square a. Sine, okay, the sine 2a in terms of this is, okay, this is tan square a. Like this we derive this, okay. Second, okay, this is second one, okay. Important relation, okay, of sine 2a in terms of tan, right? And now like this, look here, we can convert this, look here. From this tan we can bring the cot also. See here, what we can do from this second relation to bring in cot, as we know 2 in this multiply, okay. In place of tan we can write 1 by, you can write a 1 by cot A, okay? Because the reciprocal relation of tan A is 1 by cot A. Then write this whole upon. Here will be 1, right? Plus, and in place of tan square A, we have 29. Here also write 1 by cot square A, okay? Write like this. Cot square A, okay? And then now 2 multiplied with 1, it will be here 2, right? Let's simplify it. 2 by, it will be here cot A, right? Then if you take there now LCM down here, here will be, it's upon 1 upon 1 will be there, right? Then cot square A goes here, it will be here cot square A, right? This cot square A multiplied with 1 into cot square A, and this side is here 1, okay? Then this cot square will come here, okay? LCM, this is cot, okay, square A, right? And we know that after this, what we can write, look here, this will be the reciprocal, this will come to multiply with 2, right? And this will multiply here, and it will be like this, look here, 2 by cot A, 2 by cot A, right? Like this, 2 by cot A, and this will multiply, and this comes here out, it will be cot square A, okay? And by, and that is given there 1 plus 1 plus cot square, okay? Here will be 1 plus cot square A, okay? And then now we can cancel this cot A and 1 cot A cancel. Then here comes, therefore here comes, okay, sine 2A. Therefore we can write as sine, okay, sine 2A in terms of cot A. That is here 2 cot A. Okay, write at 2 cot A. Remaining of this multiplication, that's 2 into cot A, 2 cot A. And whole, this is divided by 1 plus, okay, cot square A. Like this, sine 2A value comes in cot A like this, 2 cot A by 1 plus cot square A. This is our third relation, okay? Third formula also you can tell. This is our third formula of multiple angles. This is our third formula of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Right? Sine 2A, first we brought this 2 sine A cos A, right? This is, okay, sine 2A means 2 sine A cos A, how it comes like this. And next one there is sine 2A, how it comes, this one, look here, in terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A, okay? And similarly, I found here sine 2A in terms of cot A, that is 2 cot A by 1 plus cot square A. These are the first three, okay, relations of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, now And moving to the next one. Okay, children. Now I am moving to the next multiple, okay, multiple angles one, which is cos 2a. Okay, now cos 2a, how it comes here, I want to show you here. First of all, I want to clear it. Okay, this number one sine 2a equals to 2 sine a cos a. Okay, and next one there is sine 2a equals to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. And next one is there sine 2a equals to 2 cot a by 1 plus cot square a. Okay, how it comes here. Okay, this is the process to find out. Now look, I'm moving to the next one. Okay, let's move for the next one. Okay, now look children, for the next lesson, that is number two. This is also very important. Number two. Okay, as we know that, okay, this is also 2a, right? Means we can show there a plus a. Look how these relations are derived. I want to show you here. Cos 2a, okay, cos 2a equals to, how it comes here, cos, okay, square a minus sine, right, square a. This is the first one of cos 2a. How it comes cos 2a equals to cos square a minus sine square a, that I want to show you here. Okay, this is the first one. See here, as we know that in according to the compound angles, okay, here we have to use this one. Here we are using this one because this relation we are using here. As we know, cos, okay, this is the compound angle. We are adding these two angles. Cos A plus B, okay. Look here, children. Cos A plus B formula according to the compound angle. If here is plus, then here will be minus down here. Its formula will be cos A, okay, multiply with cos B, okay, cos A into cos B, minus here will be here now, sin A into, right, into sin B. This is the formula of compound angle cos A plus B. Then look at this relation we are using here in this condition. Look here, let's use its left hand side. What is here? Cos 2A is there. Right here, cos 2A. Okay. In place of cos 2A, now we have to write like here. Cos we mentioned there. Now A means we can write here. Right here. Right here, cos. Now in place of 2A, we can write it A plus A. Okay, right here also A. Cos 2A means cos A plus A. Now let's go for this formula now. Okay, this formula, and in place of A there is already A, but in place of B also here is coming A. That's why wherever there is B, what will be changed here? In place of B also there will come A, because look, compare this bit and this one. Here is A, here is B, but here is A, both A. That's why when you write this formula in this compound angle form, it will come like this. Look here, it will be like this: cos A, right? Cos A multiply with cos A, right? According to this formula, and minus there will be sine A, right? Here will be also sine A into sine A, because there is B also A. Now when we multiply this cos A and cos A, here will come cos square, okay, cos square A, minus here will be sine, okay, right as sine square A. Like this first relation comes of cos to A, okay, in terms of cos A and sine A. This is the first relation, okay, first formula of cos to A, which comes in terms of cos A and sine A. This is the way to find out, okay. So this is the first one, cos 2a cos 2 cos square a minus sin square. Okay. Now let's move for the next one. From here, we can derive other more relations. Okay, of cos 2a, and which look here. Here we can convert both either in cos or sine. Okay. First, let's convert both these terms. Okay, in cos. Then what will happen? Look here. Let's write cos square a. Okay, cos square a minus this in place of sin square a we can write here now 1 minus cos square a. Okay, there is a minus and there's a put these both terms in bracket. Now when you remove this bracket, then it will be here cos square a, like this. Look here, cos square a, right, minus 1, and this minus will multiply to plus, and right here cos square a. Now this cos square and this cos square are added, then it will be here 2 cos square, okay, a 2 cos square a minus 1. This is the end of the relation of cos to a. Okay, that is, we can tell here, therefore cos 2a means we can write here now equals to 2 cos square, right here 2 cos square a minus 1. We can write like this. This is the end of the relation of cos 2a. Okay. Now look children, in this one we can convert this one. Okay. This first one in both sine also. Okay. For that, what you have to do, look here. I'm bringing this next relation from the first one. If you want to convert both the term into sine, it will be here cos square a means, look here, this cos square. Okay. This cos square a means my 1 minus here. We know it's Pythagoras relation, 1 minus sine square a, right? And minus, there is already next term. This is minus, right here, sine square a. Okay, like this. Then we have to write here now 1 minus sine square a, that will be minus, look here, minus sine square, there will be minus 2 sine square a, right? 1 minus 2 sine square a. This is the third one relation of cos 2a in terms of sine. 1 minus 2 sine square, it will come like this. Okay, children? And from here, look, I want to bring this cos 2a in terms of tan. As we know that there is given first relation that we found here. What is that? Cos 2a, right here. Cos 2a equals to, there was cos square a, right? Cos square a minus, it is your sine square a, right? This was the first relation. Now let's bring this into tan. To bring it tan, that we have to write here now this, look here, cos square a, okay, minus sine square a, write the same, cos square a minus sine square, write the same, and this whole will be divided by 1. If you divide this whole by 1, and that means here in place of 1, look what we have to do. I want to show you here. this part, okay? And see, for that, what we have to do, that 1 means in place of this 1 we can write now, right here cos square, okay, e minus, here will be sine square e, okay, then is whole upon, there's 1 in place of 1 we can write it now. We know that Pythagoras relation, sine square e plus cos, okay, square e, because it means 1. Then let's divide up and down. Up and down, let's divide by cos square e. Then what comes here? Look, children. Here also we are dividing numerator, also denominator, both by cos square e. Then right here, cos square e minus sine square e, okay, is whole upon, we are writing here cos, okay, square e, and now denominator is there, sine square e plus cos square e, sine square e plus cos square e. This denominator also divide by cos square e. Okay. Then when you separate this, cos square e divided by cos square e here will come. You divide this both, okay? Cos square e by also cos square e, sine square by cos square e. Then cos square divided by cos square it will be like this, okay? Separate like this, okay? Cos square e divided by cos square e, okay? Like this, cos square e. Similarly here minus sine square e also. Right here sine square e also divided by here cos square e, okay, like this, and whole it is also same with the sine square e divided by cos square e right here, sine square e divided by here also cos square e, right, and plus there is, and now cos square e divided by cos square e, cos square e also divided by cos square e, right, then it comes like this together. This cos square cancel, and here will come 1, and here also cos square cancel, here will come 1. Then sine square by cos square is 10, okay? That means we got here another relation, that is cos 2e, right? Write a cos 2e equals to, we have to write here 1 minus tan square e, right? 1 minus tan square e, okay? And its whole upon, there will be, here's 1. This we can write at first because there's plus sign. 1 plus sine square by cos square means here, right? Okay. Tan square e. This is the another relation that we got here. First here, second here, third here, and this is the fourth one, okay, of cos 2e. Fourth relation of cos 2e in terms of tan. Now from the same formula, we can bring the cos 2e in terms of cot also. For that, what you have to do, look here. This tan should be changed into, look from here only. I'm writing here, this I am writing here like this, 1 minus, in place of this tan, we can write is this equal 1 by cot square a, isn't it? Right here, cot square E is reciprocal. And whole upon here is 1 plus 1 by, what will be here? Cot square A. Then if we take here, if we take there, look children, if we take their LCM, now what will happen here? It will go here cot square, okay? It will be here like this cot square A minus 1, right? And down it will be here cot square A, okay? And this is the LCM one, cot square A, and whole upon here will be cot square A plus 1 by cot square A, okay? Then we can cancel the cot 1, this and this cot square cancel. Then we got here another relation, that is this another relation, okay? Cos 2a, right? Of cos 2a, relation another one. Cos 2a equals 2, we have right here, okay? Cot square a, cot square a minus 1, value 1, okay? We got there another relation, okay? We got there cot, that was relation cos 2a in terms of cot a. Cos 2a equals to, here come cot square a, okay? Cot square a minus 1, okay? By, we got here cot square a, right, plus 1. This relation we obtain, okay? The next one of cos 2a. This is another relation of cos 2a in terms of cot a, right? Now look here student, now I am going for the, okay, tan 2a, tan 2a, then, okay, cot 2a. Look for that, what you have to do, see here, okay? Here we have to do like this here. Look here, now I am going to share with you the next one lesson, that is of tan 3, okay? Tan, this is how tan, okay? Tan 3 is tan 3. How the value of tan 3 comes in the form of 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square, okay? Its formula will become 2 tan A, 2 tan A. Sometimes this question can be given like this to prove also how the tan 2A comes equals to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square, right? 1 minus tan square A, how it comes. Okay, and look at children, for this, first of all, I want to show you here, submit with this tan 2A means we can write tan A plus A. 2A means A plus A we can show here. And we know that, no, compound angle, tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B formula, we should know this one first. Okay, and its formula is, you know, it is tan A, right? Tan A plus, right here, tan B. Like this, right, tan A plus tan B, right? And it's down denominator value 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the tan A into tan. This is the formula of compound angles. Okay. Now same thing we are applying here for this one tan 2A. As we know that here, look, what is the difference of this one, this format of tan A and this format of tan 1, okay? This tan A plus B, what is tan A? Okay? In place of A, here is also A, but in place of B, here is a, what? A. That's why in this formula also, wherever there is B, we will put there A. Okay? It will be like this, okay? Tan A plus, right here in place of tan minus tan A, okay? Tan A plus tan A by, it will be here 1 minus, right here, tan A, okay, into tan A, both are tan A there. Then its relation comes here like this, equals to, this will be 2 tan A, up will be 2 tan A, the numerator, okay, and down there will come 1 minus tan square A, right? And like this right here, 1 minus tan square A, okay, tan A plus tan A, 2 tan A, and down it will be here 1 minus tan square. This is the relation, okay, how it comes here, it's shown here, okay, in place of tan A. And similarly, we can open the formula cot 2A also. How it is open, look here, I want to show you. This is the relation of tan 2A, okay. Now let's write here, next one, how it comes here, okay. Right here, cot 2A equals to, you know, cot 2A equals to, what is the formula? The formula is cot square A minus 1, right here. Cot square A minus 1, okay. And down there will be 2 cot A. Down there will be 2 cot A. How this formula comes, I'm going to show you here, okay. As we know that like this formula, okay, cot A plus B, that's compound angle. Cot A plus B formula should be known. Okay, this formula is, as we know, this formula is what? Cot A into cot B, right here. This formula is cot A into cot B. Okay, here will be cot A into cot B. Okay, and minus 1, right? And down there will be, cot A. Oh, this one cot B. Okay, this we can add plus that. Can add B first also, no problem. Cot B plus cot A. let's use here this formula here. Okay, by putting this values here now, like this you have tried here, cot a plus a will be there, a plus a. Okay, because a plus a is 2a. Now write like this. What will be here? Cot a into cot a minus 1, okay, by, it will be here, cot a plus cot a, because in place of b also a there is, okay. That's why now it will come here now, cot a into cot a, it will be here, cot square a, right, and minus 1, and down there is cot a plus cot a, there will be 2 cot a, like this relation comes here. Okay, this is the another lesson of multiple angles. This is the another lesson of multiple angles. Okay. Now, children, look here. I want to show you here next. That is of sine 3, cos 3, and tan 3. I want to show you there how it comes here. Okay, this is cos 2a in terms of cot a, tan 2a in terms of tan a, and cot 2a in terms of cot a. Okay. Now, after this, look here. I want to show you here. Next one. Okay, multiple angles. That is of sine 3, sometimes it will be given sine 3. Okay, how sine 3 comes equals to, okay, 3 sine a, its formula is 3 sine a, 3 sine a, okay, minus 4 sine cube a, 4 sine cube a. How this formula comes, I want to show you here in this example. Okay, okay. Now here I want to show you forward. See here, children, just now we proved this one sine. Left hand side, what is this? Sine 3 in place of sine 3. Now we can write here sine 2a plus a only. And we know the formula sine a plus with this formula. I have already written previous one. Sine compound angle, this is sine it is given that a plus b. Okay, if there is given sin a plus b, then what will be its formula? There will be here like this: sin a, okay, sin a cos b, right? Like this, right? Sin a cos b, and plus there will be cos a sin b, cos a sin b, right? This is the formula of compound angles. We are using this also same here. And but in place of a there is 2a, write it like this: sin 2a. Compare this, a is here, 2a. In place of b there is sin a cos b. B means also there is a, that's why cos a, plus let's write the cos a, that means here, right? Cos a means there 2a, write it 2a, okay, into, and here is sin b, that's why here now sin b means here there's sin a, that is sin a like this. And we have to convert this to the sin 2a. Just we had found the formula. This formula was this we found in previous slide one, okay, previous page. This formula was 2 sin a, okay, sin 2a means 2 sin a into cos a it was, okay, and into this cos a right same into cos a, okay, and here again here is cos a, but here is cos 2a, okay. Cos 2a we know in terms of sin a. We just open the formula here. Cos 2a means 1 minus 2 sin square a in terms of sin a, okay. Cos 2 in terms of sin, I have just one previous, is one only, okay, into here is sin a, okay, like this. We have to open this, and now what will be here? 2 sin a, it will be right 2 sin a, it will be same 2 sin a, and I take cos a into cos a, it will be here cos square a, it's cos square a plus, and it will be multiply here, it will be sin a into 1 sin a, open the bracket, okay, sin a only, and minus 2 sin square a multiplied with sin, it will be 2 sin cube a, okay, here with cube a. Now you can open the formula of cos square a in terms of sin a, then write it 2 sin a, okay, write it 2 sin a, and we know the formula of cos square a. Cos square a means 1 minus sin square a, it's Pythagoras relation, it is 1 minus sin square a right here, and then cos here is sin a, it will be same sin a right here, and minus this also copy same 2 sin cube a, okay, cube a. Now let's add this like term, open the bracket first, 2 sin a into 1 2 sin a, 2 sin a minus 2 sin a into sin square a, it will be 2 sin cube a, okay, here there is cube, okay, this is 2 sin cube a plus, let's write the same, okay, sin a minus 2 sin cube a, okay, right, like this one, and here's 2 sin cube a, here's also 2 sin cube, it will be 4 sin cube, and this 2 sin a plus sin a, it will be, that's why it will be right answer like this. We have the formula now, sin 3a equals to came here, okay, 3 plus, look at 2 sin a plus sin a means it is 3, right, as sin a, 3 sin a minus this 4, 2 sin cube a, 2 sin cube a, it will now have 4 sin cube a. We have to add the like term there. This and this like term, we have to add this to 4 sin cube. A. Like this, we derive this formula. Okay. Sine 3a means y. You know how it comes 3 sine a minus 4 sine k. This is the way. Okay, children. This is the way to solve the formula. Okay. Of the multiple angles. Look, similarly, I want to show you here how to derive the formula of another multiple angles. Okay, that is, I have to clear this first of all, and I want to bring here now next one. Okay, that is of cos 3a. Okay, how the formula is cos 3 comes. Okay, its formula comes 4 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. That I want to show you here. 3 cos a. How the formula of cos 3 comes 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. That I want to show you here. Let's take here children. First of all, cos 3a means what? Right here, cos 3a means cos 2a plus a, cos 2a plus a, we need to write here like this. As we know the formula that I have written before also, cos a plus b formula. This is cos a plus b. If you write here cos a plus b, its formula will be, okay, cos square a, right, minus, okay, this one, another one, write it like this, okay. This is the compound angle, that's a cos a into cos a, okay. Cos a into cos b will be there now. Cos a into cos b. Cos a plus b means cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Right? Like this will be. Cos a plus b means cos a into cos b minus sin into sin b. Then here, in place of a, there is 2a. In place of b, there is b. Okay, here is b, but here is a. That means what will be here? Look, children. Right here, cos, okay, a means here, 2a right here, cos 2a into cos b, there is b means there is here cos 2a and b means there cos a, cos 2a, and this one minus here will be sin 2a, sin a means right there sin 2a, sin 2a, okay, into, now there is sin b, but here will be sin a, right here sin a only, okay, right here sin a only. Then so here cos 2a in terms of cos you will have to bring. That's why cos 2a formula in terms of cos there will be, okay, 2 cos square a minus 1 will be there. 2 cos square a minus 1 will be there. Okay, into here will be cos a. Okay, right here cos a only. Okay, its formula is cos 2a means 2 cos square minus 1. And minus here sin 2a. Sin 2a means we have to write 2 sin a. Okay, its formula 2 sin a into cos A, right? Cosine into into sine into cos A into here down. This one, next one is sine A only. Write this, write down this, okay? And now what will be here, children? Look, open this one. Cos A into this, what will be? Open the bracket, will be 2 cos square A multiplied with cos A with 2 cos cube A minus cos A into 1, it will be here. Cos A only, right? And now let's write this 7. Sine A into sine A, it will be there. Look, 2 cos A, right first of this one. 2 cos A, right the same. Okay. Then we have to multiply this sine into sine A, there will be sine square A, okay? Write like this sine square A, okay? Write a sine square A. Then it will be like this, look, 2 cos cube A is here. 2 cos, okay? Right here cube A. 2 cos cube A and write this cos A, right? Cos A and minus 2 cos A, right same here. 2 cos A, okay? Into in place of sine square A, now we have to use 1 minus cos square because we are bringing all the values in terms of cos, okay? That's why sine square A converted into cos square A like this, okay? Then what will happen, look here, this right 2 cos cube A, right, minus cos A will be same here and minus this multiply inside, this will be 2 cos A into 1, 2 cos A only, then minus minus will be here plus, then 2 cos A into cos square A, this will be here 2 cos, okay, it will be here 2 cos, here 2 cos A into cos square A, 2 cos, look, cos A into cos square A, it will be 2 cos cube A, okay. Then what happened, look here, this 2 cos cube A, 2 cos cube A added, then what happened here, then answer came here, this one, look, cos 3A formula came here, cos 3A equals to, we have to write here, now 4 cos cube A, write here 4 cos cube A, this and this added, 4 cos cube A, and this minus cos A minus 2 cos A also added, there will be 3 cos A. Like this, we derive this another relation of cos 3. Okay, cos 3 equals to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This way it comes. Okay, this another answer. Okay, another formula of this multiple angles. I hope you understood it. Cos 3A means how 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A comes. This is the way to find out. Okay, now look children here. Now next one I want to show you here how the formula of tan. Okay, this is, I have to clear this one and write here another one relation, okay, of multiple angle, that is tan tan 3 tan 3 equals to how it comes, tan 3a equals to 3 tan a 3 tan a 3 tan a minus tan cube a, this minus tan cube a, okay, and down there is 1 minus 3 tan square a, 1 minus 3 tan square a, 3 tan square. Okay, how this comes. Okay, I want to show you here. So children, as we know that here I have already shown before also tan A plus B. Look here, we have the formula compound angle tan A plus B means tan A plus B means which formula we have? We have the compound angle formula tan A, okay, plus tan B, okay, tan A plus tan B by it will be here 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula, okay, tan A plus B. Then same formula we are opening here, but we are converting this tan 3A means what? Tan 3A means we can write tan A plus 2A, okay? We are writing this. Then we are opening the formula of this one, right? Then we know its formula is just now we wrote here. Right here tan A, right? Tan A plus tan B, right here. Tan B means that tan B, okay? Then whole upon it will be here 1 minus tan A into tan B, there is tan B means tan 2A, there is, right? Then equals to, now we are writing this tan A only, right? Tan A only right here. And what we have to just derive tan 2A means what is that? 2 tan A, it was the formula just we had derived tan 2 tan A by, it was the formula of 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Okay, it was here 1 minus tan square A. It was the formula of tan A. Okay, and it's whole upon here also right same 1 minus write this tan A. Okay, write it tan A into in plus tan 2 here also open this 2 tan A 2 tan A by, we can write a 1 minus tan squared. That is 1 minus tan squared t. Okay. Now let's take here LCM of also down also. And what happens here, student? Look, if you take the LCM here, and look here, I want to show you this here. Okay, how it comes in. Now look here, equals to, we have right there. Take LCM, then it will be here 1 minus tan squared a. 1 minus tan squared is LCM. Then this multiply here, then tan A multiplied with 1, tan A only, and minus tan A into tan square, it will be tan cube A. That is tan cube A, tan cube A, and plus 2 tan A, there is 2 tan A. Okay, there will be 2 tan A, and after that down. Okay, down also let's take LCM here. This upon is 1. Then here we also long line draw, and right here LCM 1 minus tan square. This is tan square. Okay, just a minute. This is tan. This is tan. Okay, 1 minus tan square A, and now this multiply inside. This multiplies here with 1. This and minus here is 2 tan A into tan A means 2 tan square A. Here will be 2 tan square A. There will be 2 tan square A. Okay, and whole whole upon there is 1. Okay. Uh, this one I have written this line is extra. Okay. So let's do once more. Here we have taken 1 minus tan square a. LCM here 1 minus tan square a. Okay. Then when you multiply this with 1, it will be here 1 minus tan square a tan square a. And minus here is tan into 2 tan a 2 tan square a. 2 tan square a. Now we can cancel this and this. Then what is remaining up? Here's tan a into this one. It comes here 3 tan a. Okay, 3 tan a, and this is remaining tan cube a minus tan cube a. Write it tan cube a. Okay, then whole upon it will be here. This and this added, it will be 1 minus tan square a and 2 tan square added minus 1. That will be here 3 tan square. Like this, we derive this another relation of tan 3 in terms of 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, this is the another relation. This is the answer of this. How tan 3a comes. Okay, 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. These are the most important formula of multiple angles. Okay, sorry, multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, these are the derivation of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, in the next class, I will solve the question related to this formula. By using this formula, how the questions are proved. Okay, that I'm going to show you in next class. Please keep watching my videos. If it is not subscribed, please subscribe my channel also. Okay, and today this was only bye bye, and see you in next class.